Okay, really fast. I'm going to try to walk through an order here and show you some things about the cropping that I keep telling people when they come to my shoots. I'm going to go ahead and go into my view photos. I'm going to do this like I have sent you a link to a gallery after you've had a photo shoot with me. If I send you, we'll go here. Let's go to this one. Okay. If you come out and I shoot photos for you and then I send you a link to my website, to my Smugmug page to order prints, and you click on it, this is where you're going to be. I mean, maybe not this gallery, but your gallery. Say this is your gallery. This is where you're going to be. And to order prints, over here on the right side, you've got buy photos. So you can just click buy photos, choose photos from this gallery. Now this is as if you were doing this on a computer. I haven't done a video yet on phones either. It'll be really similar. It's just laid out a little bit different. But the website is mobile friendly, and I have had customers successfully order with a phone. Okay, so everything in here says it's $2. If you'll look at the right hand side, it says 4x6 prints, luster finish. That's the default position. So if you click buy photos from this gallery, and you go into the gallery, you're instantly looking at 4x6 paper prints. That's what you're looking at. If you want to change that product, you'll go to the right hand side and choose change product. And now you can choose standard sizes, and you can scroll through those to any size you want. You can choose wall art, which would include traditional canvas, stretch canvas, metal, wood, all kinds of keepsakes. You can do downloads that may or may not apply to you, depending on what kind of shoot you've done. Phone cases, there's some iPhone cases, Android cases that you can get with the prints on them. For the sake of this, we're going to stick to paper prints. You can do other sizes. They have tabs down here so you can pick different sizes. You can do wallets. You can do different sizes. You can do panoramic sizes. Most of that's not going to fit your prints unless we specifically shoot one. I haven't done that on a family shoot. Square sizes, I'll talk about that in a second. But most of my files that I put on my website are going to be a 2:3 aspect ratio. So what that means is that they need to be, in order to not crop something off, in order to not cut something off, they need to be divisible by 2:3. So 4:6, 8:12, 12:18, 16:24, 24:36, and so on and so forth. 5:7s, they cut a little. They don't cut too much into the print or into the photo. 8:10s, they crop in quite a bit. They'll cut the edges off. Some photos, that's fine. If you want an 8:10, that's fine. I make my 8:12s. I bring them down to the same price as the 8:10s. So we're going to choose an 8:10 just for an example. And as you can see, they're $15. And let's just pick one where we've got a good horizontal shot of the family. And let's go here. And we're going to go back over here to the right and hit add photos to cart. And just to see what's going on, it says added. We're going to go to checkout, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, when you get to the checkout, there should be a preview. Okay, there's your preview. Now, if you notice, it's not too bad, but it's cutting the edge of the photo off. And if you go to edit crop, you'll see just how much it is cutting off. It's quite a bit, and you can't do anything about that. So you're going to cut his arm off or her arm off, or you're going to cut his arm off, or you cannot get the entire photo as intended into an 8x10. So we're going to cancel this, and then we're going to remove that. Yes, remove it. Okay. We're going to go back to the gallery. And it's going to make us do the buy photos thing again. So we're going to go back to the right side, buy photos, photos from this gallery. There's our 4x6 print prices. We're going to go to change product. We're going to go to 8x12 instead of 8x10. Let's see what that does. We're going to go to the same, I believe we were here. See, same prices. We're going to hit add photos to cart. And now we're going to go to checkout. Now, you can already tell by looking at the thumbnail that we're in better shape. So if you look at edit crop, see the entire photo is included. Now you can like say you didn't want this over here by his arm, you can cut that down. But you don't have to, you can keep the whole thing. So we're going to go ahead and cancel that, empty cart. Well, actually, we're going to leave that as is. But see, that's a good demonstration of why you want your sizes if you have subjects that are out close to the edges. Some of them that doesn't matter. Like if you've got a lot of space in the print, you don't have to worry about that. You can go ahead and get 8x10s, 5x7s, whatever you want to get. But in this case, you don't really want to do that. But when you're satisfied, you get all your prints in here, you can go over to begin checkout or checkout with PayPal or whatever you need to do, or you can go to continue shopping. If you've checked a print and you just want to go back, you can do the same thing. You can go back to continue shopping. You can go back to your buy photos from this gallery, and then you can change your product, and you can do whatever sizes you want. You can get prints in metal, canvas, wood, paper, different finishes on paper, anything you want to get. I hope that helps.